So dentures are one thing, but let's talk about the next step up for a mini dental implant, and that's what we call the fixed on 6.
This is like having your natural teeth back. There's nothing here. This is like just snapping teeth back into your gums. And it's just a, you know, a little bridge that's fixed on 6 mini implants. You know, you have your little shock absorbers.
Your teeth normally have, to get technical, what's called a periodontal ligament. It's shock absorbers around the teeth, so they flex a little bit when you eat. And with the Fix on 6, this innovative solution, we're actually giving you a porcelain zirconia bridge that will last you the rest of your life. Looks and feels like natural teeth, no plastic involved. That goes on and doesn't come off, stays in your mouth, and has shock absorbers. So when you chew, it's the first prosthetic solution that actually has more of a feel of what your natural teeth once did. The really cool thing about the Fix on 6 is it's semi-removable. As a patient, you don't ever take it out. Every 6 months when we bring you in on a maintenance program, we as the dentists, and as our team, we pull them out. And we can clean them, we can change the shock absorbers, the O-rings as we need to, and do any minor maintenance at that point. Snap it right back in. You don't take it out. You sleep with it, you live with it, you eat with it.
Yeah, and you can see here, like we don't have any material on the front here that's going over your gums. It's actually just teeth. That's it. And it buttons right into these little implants here. A lot of people love this because they have nothing around it other than just this like bridge that snaps into place.
There's a step up from what we just saw, and this is called the roundhouse, and it's a permanent solution, isn't it, doctors?
Yeah, so this is the permanent fixed roundhouse. So some of you may have heard of All-on-4 or Teeth in a Day, and that's where they place 4 conventional implants, remove a whole lot of bone doing it, and do a permanent fixed solution. So this is the competitive product for the All-on-4. This is a permanent cemented in solution. You do not take this out. You have some patients that they don't want to ever take it out. They just want it in there. They want that peace of mind. Sometimes it's a mental thing. We place a few more dental implants for more retention, and you're going to cement this on. And it's a true full arch tooth replacement. Looks and feels, as the Fix on 6, looks and feels like your natural teeth. There's no plastic. It's tooth-colored porcelain, ceramic, and steel under there. And blends in beautifully with your gums and your dentition. We choose the shade you want, but it's in there for the rest of your life.
Yeah, this baby ain't coming out.
And you go in for your treatment just like you would any dental care.
Yeah, absolutely.
But it's just there forever.
Absolutely.
And you can do this with an upper or a lower, and you'll prep the patient for this, and you could do both even. It could be upper or lower.
Absolutely. It gives you option between the Fix and 6 and the fixed roundhouse. Life is about options sometimes, right? And we can cater the solution into what the patient wants at that point, and what we're able to provide.